Hello, today we are gonna see about H-type questions. How long does it take you to get ready in the morning? How long is your daily commute? How long have you been pursuing your current career? How long do you spend exercising each day? How long does it take you to complete a typical work project? How long have you known your closest friend? How long does it usually take you to fall asleep at night? How long have you been practicing your favorite hobby? How long do you spend on average watching TV or streaming? How long have you been living in your current city? How long does it take you to read a book on average? How long have you been in your current relationship? How long does it take you to recover from setbacks or challenges? How long have you been working in your current industry? How long do you spend on personal development each week? How long have you been using your favorite technology gadget? How long does it take you to plan a trip or vacation? How long have you been practicing a specific skill or talent? How long do you spend on average in meetings or appointments? How long have you been pursuing your educational goals? How long does it take you to prepare a typical meal? How long have you been pursuing a healthy lifestyle? How long does it take you to recover from a stressful day? How long have you been volunteering or giving back to the community? How long does it take you to make a major decision? How long have you been involved in your favorite social activity? How long does it take you to plan for your financial goals? How long have you been following your favorite artist or creator? How long does it take you to get into a creative flow? How long have you been practicing mindfulness or meditation? How long does it take you to learn a new skill or concept? How long have you been maintaining your daily routine? How long does it take you to adapt to change? How long have you been pursuing your personal goals? How long does it take you to build a new habit? How long have you been involved in your favorite cause or charity? How long does it take you to reconnect with old friends? How long have you been practicing gratitude in your daily life? How long does it take you to reflect on your day or week? How long have you been cultivating a positive mindset? How long does it take you to plan for your career goals? How long have you been pursuing your favorite form of exercise? How long does it take you to plan for your family or friend gatherings? How long have you been contributing to your retirement savings? How long does it take you to plan for personal treats or indulgences? How long have you been pursuing your favorite form of entertainment? How long does it take you to plan for your educational goals? How long have you been practicing your favorite form of self-care? How long does it take you to plan for home improvement or decorations? How long have you been cultivating a growth mindset? Remaining age questions would be discussed in the next video. Thank you.